Good morning, Christina. I just saw your discussion post, so I'm going to go ahead and respond to you. I'm going to read through this. So while I go through, you found a lot of words. I didn't realize all these. I read the book actually when I was traveling in the car. We traveled for 2 hours, so I was reading and I wasn't really taking notes until after the fact and I got back home. So all these words, waspish, spume, abhors, congeal, harump, bereft, confound, I didn't even realize all these were in there, but looking at them, I have no clue what they are either. But I'm guessing with context clues, I figured them out. Question: how would you describe Wiki's mothers based on what we have read so far? She's not happy. She, like I said, I think has arthritis. Her and her father are very opposite of each other. She's, still for slavery, and her husband is not, and then their daughter's in the middle of it, but she seems to be siding with her father. I think she would like to move. I don't know, I need to read more about her, but so far all we know is she's pretty unhappy and it's hard for her to do chores and stuff. I think she has arthritis, she's depressed possibly, but then she was happy at one point. So I read that you said, I don't know if you said she was bipolar or something, but maybe she has some kind of mental illness. Your second question: if you had to defend Wiki, her father, and her uncle Edward's beliefs about the institution of slavery, how would you do so? Well, in the 1800s, it'd be scary because we're female. So back in that time, I don't really know what I would do, just because a woman probably would not get very good attention, and it would be coming out of a woman's mouth, and so I don't know. So maybe, what I think they had newspapers. Maybe I would write to the newspaper I don't know, maybe I'll just start doing something that I could, but I'd be anonymous. So maybe I wouldn't be defending them to, like, the mother or someone they know, but the whole slavery thing, like, on their side, because they're against it. I think the best thing for a woman to do would be anonymous and try to, write letters or post, or maybe form groups, like clubs. When I read your personal response, I also think there's going to be a big storm later on. I didn't think about Lincoln getting shot. I'm not really good at my history. My history is not very sparkly, so that might be interesting. I don't think that her mom and dad are going to separate them. I just feel like in that time, like, you just didn't separate. It wasn't a thing they did. It was very frowned upon. So I think they'll still be together. But I like that you said she might die or somebody might die. The mother might die. Maybe she's so ill that she ends up getting really sick and dying. I think that's a really good prediction. Let's see. I think I got it all. Thank you for responding. And I look forward to our other classmates' responses. I'm going to start reading either tonight or tomorrow, the second half.